Absolutely. And I just thought about something I have been working on, Taylor, and I am trying to do stand-up pouches for my torlitas. Okay.
Oh,
And
cool.
I learned on Canva that you can do that. They already have templates available. And all you have
What?
to do is, I know.
It's Tuesday. Yo.
So on
Man, that's
Canva,
crazy.
I know. I went and I think I put in, what did I put in? Labels or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And one of those templates came up, and it came up with a whole bunch of different templates of how to do those packages. You know, people are doing coffee these days. People are doing those stand-up pouches.
Mm-hmm.
And can I share what I've done? Kind of like just
Yeah, go
learned so
ahead.
far.
I'm just like Canva never ceases to amaze me in the fact that I can use it in like every area from like regular general house stuff like making labels, like homeschooling, my business, like everything. I'm I think it's really cool.
Hi everyone, this is Tamela Taylor's Treat Talk Tuesday. If it's Tuesday, you know we are right here, front and center, right?
Yeah. Yes.
I am Tamela, owner of Torlitas for that sweet and crunchy taste. Torlitas is a dessert company located right here in this great state of Ohio, where I specialize in salty sweet treats. If you want to know more about me and my business, go to at Torlitas. That's T as in Tuesday, Orlitas. Over to co-host Taylor.
Hello, I am Taylor, owner of Taylor's Kitchen, located right here in Albion, Michigan, where we make custom sweet treats for your special occasions. I can be found on all social media platforms at Sweet Spirit Treats.
Circle back to and share my screen, and these are raw. So they're not the final going to be the final product, but definitely I want to share these with you for those out there that might need stand-up pouches
Mm-hmm.
or some design concepts and things like that. Stay tuned. So So as you see here, I really just went to Canva and I input a lot of different templates. Well, you'll see here was what I did. But anyway, here are a lot of different templates. And if I can go to the search bar, it might already populate package label. Maybe that's what I did.
Yep, there it is right there.
As
Package list.
far, okay. Yeah, so there's different packages, of course, stickers, and these are all stickers. You can make them as stickers or film that you can attach to your package. But there's so many different kinds. And I just really went through and selected the ones that jumped out to me and the ones that I think that I can quote unquote manipulate in
Mm-hmm.
order to make it fit my concept and my idea. Okay, so I think this is a cute one with the ice cream. I think that one's a cute one with the coffee. And there's so many other ones. You gonna say something?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, it's so crazy that this is what you decided to show because I just had a conversation with someone about a new product that I want to launch, and they said one of the things that takes a really long time is designing the bag. Um, but
Oh,
they obviously don't know about Canva.
obviously.
Yeah, and so hopefully I'll have the new product launched by the end of the year. That's my
Oh, I'm
goal.
so excited. I'm so super. If it's what I think, I am gung ho, super excited. Yeah,
Yeah, I
hopefully
reached
it
out
is
to
that.
somebody, Tim. I reached out.
So
So
here's
hopefully.
okay. I'm excited. I'm excited. Is it what I think?
One of what you think, yes.
Okay, all right. You gotta tell me. I ain't saying about everybody else. So when you come to these package labels, you can see what fits your concept. But what fit my concept is I needed something that had a front and side. So I think I went with this. And I kind of, like I said, manipulated or created my design out of it. Now, it's not the full design, but I wanted to make sure that I had something, a side panel, because if you think about it, this is going to be your front on the front of the package, and these are going to wrap around on the sides and to the back.
Right.
Okay. So I wanted something to maybe give a little bit of a synopsis of what Torlitas is. And I like the picture on here, orange fresh fruit. Of course, you can change the font, change it to make sure what your product is. And then it has the ingredients on here and a few other things. And like I said, some have barcodes, some have ounces where you can put the ounces, some have phone numbers. There's just so many different types, okay? And you just have to go with what fits for you. So what I did is that I went and, like I said, selected a few that I liked. And went through and see, I have 17 pages. Not all the same, but it's just give you some idea and you can play around, and it takes time. Let me tell you this, it takes time. It's not a one-shot deal unless you're just skilled like that. I'm not saying that you're not, but it took me some time. So here is this is for my Orangelicious. And as you can see, I did a picture here with my Orangelicious, but of course I got to clean up some things on the side here, and maybe I'll do another photo shoot so I can get the right look of the chips that I want.
Yeah.
But you can see that I could make it my own with my logo and things like that. And I have several different varieties, but I'm going into the fall right now. So the autumn and winter season, I call it. So I have Orangelicious, Mint for Me, which are bestsellers around this time.
I think anything with mint is normally good, or anything with like apples,
Okay.
and mint and caramel. I was actually just talking
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin to one of my consultants about doing a poll or a survey of what flavors my customers would like, and so
Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely.
These
Yeah,
look
so of course that's
awesome.
not
You
the
did a good
picture.
job.
Huh?
I said these look awesome. You did a great job.
Oh, thank you. Like I said, these are in the raw, in the uncut version. These are just me just playing around with some ideas and things like that. And who knows, I might end up with something different. It's a different type of packaging. And there, like I said, there's so many different kinds that I could probably use this, change the colors, change the pictures, change the font. And if this is something that I might like, but a good measure, and I'll stop it here because I could go on and on, but sure they're like fast forward.
Oh no. So this is also a part of just like concepts and developing like new products and things like that. Yeah, so just try to be open to learning new things, because you don't know when you're gonna need them. And even finding the good in some things that you may think are annoying, because I have found some conversations with people, and I was like, man, when is this gonna end? But even if it was for just that one that one good thing that you got from it, you was like, all right, this was worth it, and that might just be like $1 million idea that you have. So just try to stay focused and see to get at least one good thing out of whatever conversation you have with somebody, even if it's what not to do anymore. Even if it's don't talk to them anymore. You know what I mean? Just like
Yeah.
get something out of it.
Yeah, I think probably just like you were saying, I think about, oh, I didn't, they said this would take a long time to create a sleeve for the packaging, and here it is on Canva. I think Canva is probably, if I would say in the last couple of years, Canva is probably the best thing that I learned as
Right.
far as business, because you can do whatever you want. There's so many things on there, from calendars to planners that people buy, to labels, to posters, to cell phone cases, to so many different things that you can do on Canva that you would have to pay someone to do, or you still can pay someone, whatever your
Yeah.
level of
Whatever
comfort is,
works for you.
whatever works for you, exactly.
Yep.
And but it's a great free tool that you can use. You just got to take a little bit of time. You won't get it in one setting, everything, because I'm still learning Canva. We're still finding out. They're still adding stuff,
Right.
so people can, websites, you can create websites with Canva. You can create Twitch things and probably metaverse stuff, and it goes
Yeah.
on and on. So anyway.
Well, one thing is, if you have yet to check out our product label class that we have created, you can click in the link down below, and we had a training on that, and you can get your copy of that training if you would like to. We'll also have an affiliate link down below for Canva, so that you can go through us and help us out here on 5T Podcast.
Sounds good to me. I
Yes.
think we have really just been able to share about what's going on in our lives today, and what we're working on for future, and what keeps us going. And I think at this point, I think we just need to say so long.
Bye-bye. Have a
Bye.
blessed week.
Be sure to like, follow, and share. And don't forget to comment. We'd love to hear your comments. All right. Bye-bye, everyone.